We want more views. We want more views. Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's Riley, your agency associate for Vista Social. What is the most asked question from your clients? Well, wait. While you're waiting, make sure you like and subscribe to our YouTube page for up-to-date tips and tricks about social media. We're posting every single week. We got blogs, we got videos. We got you covered. And the answer is YouTube Shorts. What are YouTube Shorts? Essentially, it's a video that is vertical. Wait a minute. Yep, like this. It kind of looks like TikTok and it kind of looks like Instagram Reels, but it's on YouTube. So these videos are maxed at 60 seconds. Get it? YouTube Shorts. They are acting like the competitor to TikTok, since TikTok has been blowing up in recent years. One of the biggest pluses to YouTube Shorts that it stays on your profile rather than an Instagram story, anything story related where it just disappears in 24 hours. It's always on your channel. Here's a quick tip about YouTube Shorts. When you are producing YouTube Shorts, you want to make sure that you hook your audience in the first 3 to 5 seconds with something engaging, with something that's entertaining, or sometimes something that's completely random but yet still relevant to your video. After, you start rolling out the story, rolling out all your information. Again, capture their attention and follow through with the meat and potatoes of your video. So the first added benefit for YouTube Shorts is that it grows your audience. It grows your subscriber count. A quick and easy hack to grow your subscribers. With 92 Social, we produce 2 to 3 YouTube Shorts / TikTok / Instagram Reels. Call them 92 cents. Essentially what we're doing is in the first 3 to 5 seconds, we're hooking them with something random. Then we follow through with some interesting facts about social media. The second added benefit increases your engagement rate. With more subscribers, more comments, more likes, more shares, you're getting an engagement rate skyrockets. The third added benefit of YouTube Shorts is it attracts your desired audience. This is where you can write the perfect script for your potential audience. This is where you can really narrow down, because the best part is when you upload your YouTube video, you're using tags, you can do that. You can take the main video, all the meat and potatoes, all the description, headline, YouTube tags, and you can input them into your YouTube Shorts, thus niching down to your audience. So how are we feeling about YouTube Shorts right now? Is it confusing, simple? Let us know. Drop us a comment with any questions about YouTube Shorts. We're happy to answer them for you. So the most important question is, how can we get more views on your YouTube Shorts so you can increase and grow your YouTube channel? Let's dig in. So the use of relevant hashtags or YouTube tags. The key tool that I use is called vidIQ. vidIQ is a great tool because you can go on like-minded videos, some videos that are just like yourself, and you see what tags they're using. You can see what's trending. Use the correct tags. It's kind of like hashtags. We're talking about Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, X, or TikTok. So remember to use trendy hashtags for YouTube tags. And then insert relevant keywords in your description. This is where if you have a long video on YouTube, best practices for SEO, and it really reflects on your video. You can use the same verbiage, the same wording. The YouTube algorithm will help you push to your desired audience. So you want to make sure those keywords in your headline or in your description, that are in your hashtags or YouTube tags, because it all works well together. If you want to learn more tips, visit our blog that's linked right down below and let us know if it works. All right, so that is a quick roundup on how can you get more views on your YouTube Shorts very quickly. If you have any further questions, send me an email, riley@vistasocial.com, or visit our blog or visit our demo link. Yes, if you register for a demo, we can answer every single question for you. All right, we'll catch you on the next one.